Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by pinpointing when and why you say odd things. This matters because awareness targets change. Once identified, record real conversations for 1 week and review clips to spot patterns. Then, start a daily 10-minute practice block where you rehearse pauses and alternative phrases. Make sure to use the same cue every day so habit forms quickly. This early work builds the sensory feedback loop you need to interrupt impulsive speech and replace it with deliberate responses. Once you have awareness and short practice established, focus on in-the-moment control. Adopt a 3-second pause before responding, because pausing reduces impulsive output and gives your brain time to reframe. During conversations, replace the first weird impulse with a neutral phrase or a short question. This prevents escalation and preserves rapport. Make sure to run 2 weekly role-play sessions with a friend or coach who gives corrective feedback, and gradually increase difficulty. To finish, convert practice skills into habit by spacing reviews. Move from daily recording to 3 times per week while keeping the 10-minute drill. Reinforce with a discrete physical cue, like touching thumb to finger, so you can trigger a pause under stress. Make sure to celebrate small wins and track progress in a simple log. If you notice regression, troubleshoot by returning to an intensive 3-day drill, doubling role plays, and rewatching recordings to recalibrate what prompts the slips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.